How do I hide text messages on my iPhone?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we will walk you through the process of hiding your text messages on your iPhone. Whether you want to keep your personal texts away from prying eyes or just want a bit more privacy, this guide is for you. Let's dive right into it.
Understanding what hiding means.
First things first, it's important to understand that Apple does not provide a straightforward feature to hide specific text messages. However, there are a few tricks and settings we can use to add an extra layer of privacy to your messages.
Using Do Not Disturb to silence notifications.
One of the easiest ways to hide your text messages is by silencing your message notifications. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the Messages app. 2. Find the conversation that you want to hide. 3. Swipe left on the conversation and tap on the purple bell icon. This will enable the Do Not Disturb function for that particular conversation. Remember, the messages from this conversation will still appear in your Messages app, but notifications will be silenced.
Hiding alerts for a specific contact.
You can also hide alerts for specific contacts. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Contacts app and select the contact you want to hide alerts for. 2. Tap on Edit in the top right corner. 3. Scroll down and enable the Hide Alert switch. Just like before, messages will still appear in the app, but you will not receive any notifications for them.
Using third-party apps.
For more advanced features like hiding specific messages or entire conversations, you may need to resort to third-party applications. While there are many apps out there that can do this, keep in mind that they may not offer the same level of privacy and security as the native Messages app. Also, make sure to only download apps from trusted developers. That's all for today's tutorial. While iOS doesn't offer an exact way to hide text messages, these tips should help you add a bit more privacy to your messaging. Remember, privacy is a right, not a privilege. Stay safe and keep your data protected.